boys and girls, it's Mrs. Hogan. Today in our social studies and science, we're going to talk about planting. It's been such a beautiful week this week that I was excited that I could come outside and do our lesson. And because it kind of feels like the perfect time to plant plants. My son Braden here is going to help me do my lesson today. And we made an anchor chart and he's going to talk about it because our learning target this week is what do plants need to survive. So he's going to show you what plants need.
Okay guys, so what plants need to survive is sun. The sun gives them energy and helps them grow. They also need water, just like we need water, to stay alive and to stay healthy. They get all their food and nutrients from the soil, just as we get all our nutrients from food. They also use air to help them make the food.
So, we are going to now plant our plants. So I want to kind of show you some of the materials I have. So you might have a pot like this. You might have something like this. I have even this little glass jar that I know we use something similar in our last lesson for our money. And even like a cup like this works. And I know I also told my friends that might not have that they can use a baggie like this with a wet paper towel. So after I'm done planting, I'll show you how to do it this way. I'm going to do both ways so that I can see kind of the difference of what happens. So I think I'm going to use my clay pot, and I'm going to also do one in my clear pot. So Braden will do this pot, and I'll do this pot so you can see how much dirt we use.
Okay guys, so you fill it up over halfway, but not all the way to the top. So about 3/4 of the way. So right about
probably maybe one
right
more
here.
scoop. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's probably good. And I'll do it in here so you can kind of see it. Here's some seeds that I had that are just green bean seeds that you might have at your house. You want to show them, Braden, the mixed beans?
And we got some beans.
So, and we'll use that. You can use that. So why don't you use the mixed beans, Braden? And I'll use the seeds. And then we can kind of, it'll be fun to watch and see the difference. Because we're going to be able to be seeing these. I'm going to be showing you guys this. Because we're going to do another plant lesson in a few weeks to see how much they've grown. So I'm going to put about 3. Do you have about 3?
About 3 beans. And then you put it in the soil. After you put it in the soil, you'll fill it back up with dirt. Not too much, just a couple scoops. And then you feed it its water.
And so I'm going to show you kind of what, as I get close, about how much. And you can see my 3 seeds. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Put another scoop of... My pot's a little smaller, so I'll just use 1 scoop. And I'm going to do the same thing and put water in it. So, and we're going to put those right here, okay, to grow, and you can lean that.
And then for the plastic bag, what you're going to do is you're going to put 3 beans onto the wet paper towel. And then you're going to put the beans with the paper towel into the plastic bag. Okay. So if you guys can see here, we got our 3 beans on our paper towel. And you guys always need to remember, these plants need sun. Don't forget, they need sun. So make sure you keep these in sunlight.
And they need to be inside.
To help them grow.
So I'm going to show you. You're going to take a piece of tape and you're going to tape this on one of your windows, but inside your house. Just tape it on a window. I'm going to tape it in my kitchen window. I'll take a picture and show you. So this is going to be kind of fun for me to be able to see everybody's plants and how they grow. And then again, in a few weeks, we will look at our plants, and that'll also give us an opportunity to learn about the plant parts, and we can talk about it by looking at our plants. And then we're going to extend our lesson and talk about how seeds travel and come up with some ways that seeds travel for the plants that we see outside. Okay? So we'll talk to you later.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye.